Welcome back, guys, to the channel All Our Opulence. Thank you guys so much for joining me. I appreciate it. Today we're going to be talking about the Yeezy tactical boot in the sand colorway. This particular boot, I've been waiting for a very long time to add it to my collection. And as soon as I got the opportunity to add it to my collection, I did it straight away. Before we dive straight into the unboxing, if you're new to the channel, make sure you slap that subscribe button. Make sure you like the video and comment in the section below. Okay, without further ado, let's dive straight in. This is the Yeezy tactical boot in the sand colorway. Oh my goodness. I have been waiting for a very, very long time for this boot. And I'm so happy I'm able to add it to my collection. So you can see the 500 on top of the box right there. And you see the sizing. I went for a size 10 for this one. Typically, sometimes I do a size 10 and a half in Yeezy sometimes, but in the 500, I can get away with a size 10, and so I went with a size 10. Okay, so let's pull in the box. Let's see. We got the box. I mean, it's a Yeezy box. You already know what comes with that. You can see Yeezy right there. There's no boost in this. And then you have the sizing right there is a size 10. And then he has that drawer box right there. And you see you have that paper, that Yeezy paper. Man, I'm so happy I was able to add this to my collection because obviously if you're trying to get it, it's very, very hard to get it, and the price has gone up, on getting it. But I was able to get it for a very, very decent deal, which I had to jump on it because of the price I got it at. So you can see it right there. That is the Yeezy tactical boot in the sand colorway. That is what it's looking like. I am going to put it right here and then show you guys exactly what it looks like. You ready? 1, 2, 3, bam! You see it right there, right there. That is the Yeezy tactical boot in the sand colorway, right there. That is looking very, very beautiful right there. I am a big fan of the Yeezy tactical boots, especially in winter as well. This is a very, really nice boot to wear in winter. The extra lace, but we'll come back to that. I'm gonna grab the other foot, get rid of the box. You got the bottom, you can see the Adidas branding here somewhere. Oh yeah, it's on the front. There's the branding right there. So on the sole, you've got the sand color right there on the sole, and you have that all those pod sections in the heel, the midfoot, the front foot, like different pods on there with that traction pattern. On the midsole, you can see it has that gray on the midsole right there all the way around, except for like the front, you have that brown sand color that connects to the bottom right there. And then on the upper, it's a mix of leather and suede. Uh, Also on the midsole as well, there's this rubber kind of like patch side that they put on there connecting to the midsole right there. You can see it's on top right there. It's like kind of like a light brown. Okay, and you can see that Adidas branding in gray right there on the midsole mixed with the brown sand midsole right there. On the other side, actually, still on the midsole, on the other side right here, you can still see part of the that rubber uh, connecting right there. It's just like the panel on this side that has the brown rubber. So on the upper, it's that suede right there going all the way around. It's basically a mix of suede and fabric. So there's this mesh kind of like fabric on this side, on the side panel right there. And then you have leather on the bottom of that right there. This is leather. That is kind of like a mesh material, like yeah, mesh kind of material right there, like a cloth. So it's kind of like a hybrid, you can call it. So on the eyelids, it's a mix of like a plastic eyelids and yeah, it's plastic, it's not metal. So you can see it right there. You see that plastic right there. This is plastic, and then like this kind of like a hook eyelids up to here, going all the way up, and that is in sand as well. The laces are sand. And by the way, something very interesting about this lace is you can actually use it to start a fire. So hence the reason why it's got like a red thing right there. I don't know if you can see it. It's on the lace right there. I'll try to show it to you in the B-roll so you can see it. So it has this red. Apparently, that is very, very flammable right there. And then, of course, this is a high top. It's got like a padding on the top right here. All this is padded, and then the material here is more of that cloth material. Going all the way to the side, and you have like a little patch area, like a strap down here, and you have the same thing on the other side, on this side. You can see that. Okay, and let me take the laces out. I'm gonna kind of loosen it, and then get to the tongue. Okay, so the tongue is the same color as well. As it's more of that uh, sand color right there. And the way the tongue is, I like the way they work the tongue. It's like a one piece. Let me show it to you. See it right there? It's kind of connected to the boot itself. So you see that? That's the tongue right there. And then you got the sizing on the side right there. That's what that's looking like. I mean, overall, for me, this shoe is a winner. I love this shoe. And it's actually light. It's not heavy at all. So that for me, I really, really enjoy that. So the inside, the sock liner is more of that sand as well. You can see it right there. And this part is actually not rigid at all. It's kind of soft. The insole is black, and the bottom actually, the bottom in there is black as well. When you go past all this area going inside the midsole right there is actually black. So, and that inner midsole kind of stops around here somewhere. See, like you see where my finger is right here? That's where that black midsole starts from on the inside. So yeah. So like I said, I'm gonna do an on feet for you guys. You see exactly what this looks like. It's actually a really, really nice material. It's, like I said, it's a mix of leather, suede, and the cloth mesh kind of, So I'm sure it's highly breathable. Even I mean, mainly I feel like you can still wear this in kind of like fall or winter. Sorry, not only in winter, you can wear in fall, and you can wear in this in spring as well. When it's not too hot. So for me, I really, really like this. So that's the tag right there. That's what that's looking like. And the extra shoelaces that comes with it comes in this small envelope right here, and that is what that is looking like. That's the extra lace right there. So that's what it's looking like. So it's a Yeezy tactical boot. I'm sure you guys are very familiar with it. For sizing, I feel that typically just always go a half size up. I'm only getting this in my true size because, like I said, I got it for a very, very good deal. And plus, I have a previous 500 that in a size 10, and that was able to get away with it. That's all I've got for you on the Yeezy 500 tactical boots. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you like the video and comment in the section below. Guys, until the next video, all our opulence out.